the ham radio installed finally. It's the TYT 9800, the detachable face, and I had to make that bracket. I don't know if I like it like that. I might move it up so that it covers up this, or I'll find something to maybe fill that gap with. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I get for making my own. Mic holder with a little handheld holder on top of it. This thing doesn't go anywhere either. It's really sturdy. From Jeep Unique. Jeep's Unique? Jeep Unique? Whatever. And then I got my external speaker in the back here, underneath the seats. And I'll show you that a little bit more here in a second. I'll show you the radio underneath the seats here. There's the antenna for now. Put the radio underneath the seat. Ran everything under the carpet. Of course, the doorway. Ran all the wires through here. And the good old foam plug up in there. And then here's the radio under the seat. I attached it to a little mount that was coming off the seat already, a little bracket. So it's not on the carpet, it's not touching the seat or anything, it's just kind of hanging out in the middle of nowhere there. And the rear speaker, so when you fold the seats down, of course the speaker would be smushed. So I made this little bracket too, and I just made it so it slides out. Just a little bracket, just kind of slides under a bar that's there, and I just kind of slip this underneath the bar and the lip, and it holds it tight. So far so good. That way if I need to lower the seats, I can just take the speaker off. It's all good. We'll see how it works.